Yo, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. Here's what's for dinner. Okay, this is what I'm making. This is the Haitian season, y'all. You already know the Haitian season take you to right the here. Next I have level. Some frozen bell pepper, onions. I have the yellow, the green, the red. You already see. Okay, let me show you what your girl is making right now. Right here, we have some steak. All right, y'all. Take a good look. I'm telling y'all, the Haitian season take you to the next level, baby. I added on every show y'all the thing, steak is so not burnt, okay? Because it's just, you know, the Haitian season, like I said, take you to the next level, y'all. All right, let me show y'all, because I know how some of y'all YouTube police. Okay, let me show y'all. It is not burned, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all like y'all steak. Oh, look at this. Looking so good. Like I told you, it's not burned at all. Okay, looking so good. Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to pair it with some Brussels sprouts. Yes, ma'am. So comment down below. Hope you all have an amazing day. And God bless. Love you all. Bye. Don't forget to always put God first, y'all. Bye-bye.